2023
Lexus GX.
With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback